Brown and green wires are typically wrapped around the cable for two primary reasons. Firstly, to provide mechanical support, meaning the wires give structural integrity to the cable, preventing it from kinking or breaking, and secondly, for electrical insulation. The wires help to insulate the conductors inside the cable, which prevents short circuits. The brown wire is typically used for the positive terminal of electrical devices such as phone jacks and wall plates. The green wire is usually used for the negative terminal of electrical devices, like phone jacks and wall plates, and can also be used as a grounding wire. In the United States, the color code for telephone wiring is as follows. Firstly, red and green for telephone line 1, representing the tip and ring respectively. Secondly, black and yellow for telephone line 2, also tip and ring. Thirdly, brown and blue for telephone line 3, tip and ring. And fourthly, orange and white for telephone line 4, tip and ring. It is common practice to land the brown and green wires under the black and yellow wires and next to the red and green wires. This keeps the wiring organized and easy to identify. Let's look at an example wiring scheme for a phone jack with 4 lines. Firstly, red is the tip of line 1. Secondly, green is the ring of line 1. Thirdly, black is the tip of line 2. Fourthly, yellow is the ring of line 2. Fifthly, brown is the tip of line 3. Sixthly, blue is the ring of line 3. Seventhly, orange is the tip of line 4. And eighthly, white is the ring of line 4.